is Ebony Bikini Chef. So today I was going to make two the stuffed cabbage, and I can't remember the other thing. I know I'm doing a salmon too, but now I'm gonna have to cancel all that because I just fell when I was putting on the baby oil. Some of it went on the floor and I should have wiped it up. I am the clumsiest person in the world. So now I said, oh my God, my leg, I fell right on the bed knee. I was like, what the hell? So when I get back from the hospital, because 9 times out of 10, they probably won't keep me unless I come back tonight because this joint is hurting like I can't catch a break. But the tooth is out after 7 weeks, and my whole face was like lopsided. So that's why I didn't do no videos, because I was like, I don't know, probably looking at me crazy. And now I can't do the video. Oh my God. But this is the first video, I think. This is what I had on, minus the hair. So I gotta go get dressed because I can't go to the ER like this. But this is how, remember the fast video? So I have to, by tomorrow, that cabbage is not going to be any good because it's been here for like 2 days and I'm going to have to get more meat. I was on the floor for like a good 3 minutes. I was like, oh my God, ain't nobody here to help me up. That's the part that sucks about being by yourself in your house, because if you fall, now I know why they got those little necklace things for old people. Oh my God. I'm not old, but my knee, I still got arthritis in my knee. So it sucks because my oven is ready. I'm getting ready. I got 4 pots. Everything is empty. But y'all know I usually prep. I was going to tell y'all this is going to be a long video. So, but I can't cook that meat because that also has been sitting in there for 2 days. So I'm going to have to do everything tomorrow because I'm not trying to poison no one. I'm not eating it. I don't eat meat. But I was going to do a separate thing of cabbage for myself because I'll tear some cabbage and some squash up in a heartbeat. So it's going to have to wait till tomorrow too. And I got water all on this. And it's sticky. Great. And I got to wash it. So all this stuff going in the trash except for this. Because I know I'm be back late and I ain't gonna feel like doing no video because I'm gonna be high from, not high, I'm gonna be I'm gonna be I'm gonna be high. Ain't no other way to say that. So I'm gonna, maybe I can salvage the cabbage. It don't look like it's bad, so, but we'll see. We'll see tomorrow. But I'm definitely gonna have to get some more hamburger for the meat because I could not find no ground up lamb. So I am so sorry. I apologize. I was hyped too. I was like, yes. Like, I saw the comments. Y'all was like, when you coming back? So that's why I was like, let me go ahead and do the video, and then I'm gonna go get dressed, and I could drive myself to the hospital because I'm sitting down, but they gonna have to. Hopefully the pain don't get worse. But I was limping yesterday and this morning because I just moved all my furniture around when my granddaughter was here this weekend. So, oh, that's hot. So it sucks getting old. And this is where I'm gonna tell my doctor again, I need this weight loss surgery because it's gonna take too long for me to do it myself. And because I be walking once a week, but I might need to pump it up. But I've been fat for a long time, since 2000, because my mom died 2003, so 2007 7 when I started driving a truck, a tractor trailer. That's when I started gaining weight. So it's easy to gain weight. It's hard because I was always skinny. I was skinny my whole life up until my mom died and my grandmother died. They died like 6 months ahead of each other. Then my son get killed. Like I just can't. I just can't. I have the worst luck in the world. The worst. And on that note, y'all read my bio, and I see y'all tomorrow when I wake up. Cause now I got to go. Cause I'm pretty sure the store is gonna be closed when I get out of ER tonight. So I'm gonna go in the morning. I'll drive in the morning, and I'm gonna have to take a pain pill. Not now, cause I ain't gonna be able to drive. Cause mine's put me to sleep. So once I get there, I'll probably take the pain pill because y'all know I'm gonna be sitting there for like 8 to 12 hours at the ER. So, and I ain't got no choice. Whenever you fall, you always supposed to go to the ER. So, or whenever you have an accident, like in the car, you always supposed to go to the ER. So, I appreciate y'all for watching, and I miss y'all too. I miss cooking because I've been eating oatmeal and pudding, applesauce. I want some real food. I want a cheesesteak so bad, and I can't eat it. And now I gotta get a what was he telling me? I have to get a partial because I don't have no teeth in the bag. I don't have no teeth in the bag. And I was trying to get my dentist to take out all my teeth because my girlfriend was like, well, if you want to do, you know what, you gotta wash the teeth. So I was like, well, it's easy to fix that. Just go to the dentist and tell him to take out all my teeth. He was like, no, I'm not gonna do that. So here we are. So I'm gonna end this. That hurt, man. I might have to start wearing. I might have to start wearing a leg brace. Oh my god, that is crazy. And it's not like they want to give me a new knee. It's not like it's a bit bionic knee. Like, who wants a non-bionic knee? I want to be able to run fast, just like $6 Million Man, bionic woman. I want to be able to run like that and jump. I can't do that. At least until I get down to like maybe 170, and I probably look real sick at 170 because I've been fat for so long. I done got used to the body. Like I feel like I'm perfect. My stomach is just fat. Other than that, I feel like I'm perfect. Oh, and I need a upgrade. Not an upgrade. No, that's wrong. A breast lift. I need that. I hate wearing bras. But anyway, I done went off topic again. This don't have nothing to do with cooking. So I want to say thank y'all again. And I'm going to see y'all tomorrow. And I apologize again because I was so excited. You see, I did the hair, had the hair net on, had pimped everything. Well, not this part, but just don't make no sense. I'm telling you, I need I need like a redo on my life. That's what I need. So I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. I done said like 4 times, and I'm gonna hobble, well, drive to this ER. So I see y'all tomorrow.